Migrating from QuickBooks to Zoho Books is more than a software change, it's a strategic upgrade. In this video, we'll walk through a complete roadmap to ensure a smooth, secure, and successful migration. Many businesses move from QuickBooks to Zoho Books to reduce costs, simplify accounting, and benefit from more automation-friendly platform designed to scale as they grow. Zoho Books offers advanced automation, seamless integration with Zoho ecosystem, reliable cloud access, and responsive customer support, making daily financial operations faster and more efficient. Preparation is critical. Start by reviewing your QuickBooks data, customers, vendors, inventory, transactions, and reports, ensuring everything is accurate and up to date. Next, create a detailed migration plan. Define responsibilities, set timelines, align your team, and prepare a backup plan to handle any unexpected challenges. Export data from QuickBooks in CSV or Excel format. Clean and format in using Zoho's templates. Then import it into Zoho Books. Always verify the data after import, preferable during off-peak hours. Common challenges include data incompatibility, risk of data loss, and user adoption. These can be addressed with proper templates, backups, test migrations, and team training. After migration, validate balance and records, configure tax settings and templates, and establish best practices like regular backups and standardized data entry. Zoho Books integrates seamlessly with Zoho CRM, inventory, projects, payment gateway, banks, and e-commerce platforms, offering a simpler, more affordable alternative to QuickBooks. With the right planning and execution, migrating from QuickBooks to Zoho Books can be a transformative step. Zoho Books empowers businesses with efficiency, automation, and long term financial clarity.